हेलो डियर लर्नर्स। आज के इस लेसन में हम स्टडी करेंगे हिस्ट्री ऑफ प्लांट पैथोलॉजी पार्ट 1। आज हम कंटेंट्स में स्टडी करेंगे हिस्ट्री विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एंशियंट एग्रीकल्चर, डिस्कवरी ऑफ द रोल ऑफ फंजाई, डिस्कवरी ऑफ द रोल ऑफ बैक्टीरिया, डिस्कवरी ऑफ द रोल ऑफ निमेटोड, वायरसेस, माइकोप्लाज्मा एंड रिकेट्सिया लाइक बैक्टीरिया, and discovery of the role of protozoal diseases of plants and plant pathology in India। लेकिन इस पार्ट 1 में हम सिर्फ अप टू स्टडी करेंगे डिस्कवरी ऑफ द रोल ऑफ नेमेटोड। सिर्फ हम यहीं तक स्टडी करेंगे पार्ट 1 में, और पर्टिकुलरली क्योंकि ये हिस्ट्री ऑफ प्लांट पैथोलॉजी है तो हमारा जो फोकस रहेगा वो ज़्यादातर साइंटिस्ट के नेम के ऊपर रहेगा। सो लेट्स बिगिन। सबसे पहले बात करेंगे एंशियंट agriculture। Theophrastus, a Greek philosopher, he was disciple of Plato and Aristotle. He elaborately mentioned plant diseases। अब इसने कौन सी plant diseases mention की हैं? Rust, mildew and blight। According to him, these diseases were due to bad nutrition and bad air. Varro gave some of the thought of Theophrastus a scientific approach। Next है हमारे पास अथर्ववेदा, which contain charms and spells for warding off evils and diseases। This composition mention blight as a disease and its control। In Vedas, other diseases like powdery mildew, rust and tumors on the tree, fungi and algae are also mentioned। यहाँ तक कि हमारे जो वेदास हैं उसमें भी particularly plant diseases के regarding mention है। सुसूत्रा, संहिता एंड चारक, अगर इसकी बात करते हैं तो also a man of medicine, were aware of diseased condition in plants and often compared them to disease in men। तो चारक में भी देखा जाए तो plant diseases के रेफरेंस मिलता है। The oldest text on Indian agriculture, कृषि पराशर, was written by Prashar। Plant protection is mentioned directly in one verse that mention powdery mildew, rust, insect and large animal as enemies of the crop। तो अगर प्राशर की बात की जाए तो इसने भी एक्सप्लेन किया है पाउडरी मिल्ड्यू, रस्ट, इंसेक्ट एंड लार्ज एनिमल जो कि एनिमीज ऑफ क्रॉप हैं, कौटिल्य। इन हिज अर्थशास्त्र रिकमेंडेड ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ कट एंड्स ऑफ शुगर कैन कटिंग बिफोर प्लांटिंग। वाराह मेहर, इन इज बृहत संहिता इंक्लूडेड अ चैप्टर ऑन साइंस ऑफ प्लांट लाइफ। Apart from writing about fungi and algae, he also advocated the importance of good seed and seed treatment for good and healthy seedling, the value of green manuring and organic amendment which are now known to reduce root diseases। See same is trap crop for Strega। उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे वृक्ष आयुर्वेदा, written by Surpal। He mentioned plant protection and he divided the plant diseases into two categories। तो इसमें प्लांट डिजीज़ को डिवाइड किया गया था इंटरनल एज वेल एज एक्सटर्नल। अगर एक्सटर्नल की बात करते हैं तो एट्रीब्यूटेड टू नॉन पैरासिटिक इंजरी बाय हीट, फ्रॉस्ट, हाई विंड्स, सॉइल एसिडिटी, वाटर स्ट्रेस एंड पुअर क्वालिटी ऑफ द सीड। द मटेरियल यूज फॉर ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ सीड, फील्ड क्रॉप एंड ट्रीज ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ प्राशर टू सूरपाल अपीयर टू बी एक्सक्लूसिवली ऑर्गेनिक सोर्सेज। प्लांट ऑयल have also been effectively against used like powdery mildew of apple giving as much as 90% control। नेक्स्ट हम बात करेंगे हिस्ट्री ऑफ द डिस्कवरी ऑफ द रोल ऑफ फंजाई। इसमें हम फंगस के रिगार्डिंग जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट साइंटिस्ट हैं उनके बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। इन 1675 ल्यूवेनहॉक डेवलप द फर्स्ट माइक्रोस्कोप। ये सबको पता है कि फर्स्ट माइक्रोस्कोप दैट वाज डेवलप्ड बाय ल्यूवेनहॉक। The Micheli was the first scientist who in 1729 studied fungi and showed their spore under microscope। In 1775, the French botanist Tillet published a paper on burnt or striking smut of wheat। Pearson and Fries, who were busy with classification and nomenclature of fungi, believed that microorganisms originated from disease। Benedict Prevost, Benedict Prevost pioneered the germ theory of plant diseases and proved in 1807 that diseases are caused by microorganisms। He was working on want of wheat। The credit for discovering the life cycle of want fungus goes to Prevost। During 1830 to 1845, when late blight of potato was fast spreading in England, Ireland, and in the Europe. The foundation of modern experimental plant pathology was laid by German scientist Anton de Berry. He experimentally proved that the fungus Phytophthora infestans, very important, was the cause of late blight of potato. The credit for a detailed study of late blight fungus, its nomenclature and experimental proof of organism being plant pathogen goes to de Berry. He studied other diseases also such as rust, smut, downy mildew and rot. The discovery of heterogeneous nature of rust fungi was made by him. तो हमें पता है कि हेट्रोशियस फंगस क्या होती है या हेट्रोशियस नेचर क्या होता है जो दो डिफरेंट होस्ट पर अपना लाइफ स्पैन कंप्लीट करता है. The first study of physiology of plant diseases was carried out by De Berry when in 1886 he exported the role of enzyme and toxins in tissue degradation caused by Sclerotinia sclerotiorum. In 1905, Zonas reported the role of cytolytic enzyme in soft rot caused by the bacteria. Ward and Salmon. तो वार्ड एंड साल्मन ने क्या किया है? डिस्कवर्ड physiologic specialization in fungi causing rust and powdery mildew of the cereals. Floor in 1946 working with linseed, that is flax rust, advanced the gene for gene concept of disease resistance and susceptibility in the host and the pathogen. Next scientist है E.C. Steckman. Working on the resistance of wheat to Puccinia graminis, also observed rapid cell death around the site of penetration in resistant host and used the term hypersensitive to describe the response. Next scientist है Gauman. Gauman in 1946. He elaborated the phenomena of hypersensitivity in plant. K. O. Muller and H. Borger first defined phytoalexins as antimicrobial compounds synthesized and accumulating at the site of infection or stress. Next हम बात करेंगे discovery of role of bacteria. Means हम study करेंगे about the scientist. Bacterial etiology of anthrax disease was provided by Robert Koch in 1876 and he gave the Koch postulates. T.J. Burrell of USA first time reported that fire blast of pear was caused by a bacterium and the name of the bacterium is Erwinia amylovora. Smith. Notice and study the crown gall disease. Kilton found that crown gall bacterium transformed normal plant cell into tumor cell by introducing them into its plasmid. Pioneer who made significant contribution to plant bacteriology were C. Elliot, P. A. Ark, H. W. Burkholder, W. J. Dawson and C. Stapp. तो ये कुछ एक important pioneer workers हैं and they play important contribution in the bacteriology. Next हम बात करेंगे डिस्कवरी ऑफ रोल ऑफ नेमेटोड. तो हम इसमें जो भी साइंटिस्ट हैं उसके रिगार्डिंग स्टडी करेंगे. द ग्वीनिया वर्म एंड राउंड वर्म as parasite of man were known to Egyptian as early as 1553 to 1550 BC, before Christ. A plant disease with which association of a nematode could be noticed was first reported by Needham in England in 1743 AD. He described the wheat gall nematode now known as Anguina triticale. C. Devane in 1857 studied the life cycle of Anguina triticale. M. J. Breckley in 1855 noticed gall or nodes on root of greenhouse cucumber. Cornu named nematode Anguilla marioni. Atkinson in 1889 published a report on the life cycle of these nematodes under the name Heterodera radicicola. Quinn in 1857 he reported a stem nematode and the name of the stem nematode was Ditilancus dipsacai. H. Schelt in 1859 noticed cyst nematode of beet, that is Heterodera schechtii. N. A. Cobb N.A. Cobb, he coined the term nematology. If we talk about hunger, in 1901, he showed that bacterial wilt of tomato was facilitated by root knot nematode. So, thank you so much for watching this first lecture on the history of plant pathology, and we have to focus particularly on the name of the scientist in this lecture. तो अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो, आप इसको लाइक करें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। जैसे ही आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो बेल आइकन क्लिक करें, जिससे आपको जितनी भी मेरी वीडियो की अपडेट्स या नोटिफिकेशंस हैं वो मिलती रहेंगी। सो थैंक यू सो मच।